Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make HyperX Cloud 3 sounds like HyperX Cloud 2 in 2026. So first of all, to begin with, HyperX Cloud 3 has a more balanced sound while HyperX Cloud 2 is known for stronger bass and slightly sharper highs. So we can adjust the settings in order to match that particular signature. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to simply open the HyperNGenvity application on your PC. Now, when the application is opened, simply look for the option of your device which is connected here. Now, you just have to first of all turn off the 7.1 surround sound in HyperX Angenvity. The stereo mode is going to give you a closer match to the Cloud 2's natural sound. Afterwards, you just have to also change the equalizer. So here, when your headset appears here in your audio, you will see this type of equalizer section. So here you need to set some of the frequencies, like low frequencies increase for the deeper bass, mid frequencies you can set slightly reduce in order to avoid the muffled sound. For high frequencies you can increase for the sharper details. So this is going to recreate the punchy and the bright Cloud 2 sound. Now you need to set your system volume around 70 to 80%. For that, you just have to simply click on this sound icon here on your PC. Now you can use this slider in order to basically set the volume around 70 to 90%. Avoid max volume in order to prevent the distortion while keeping clarity. Now after doing this, you just have to press Windows plus I on your keyboard and then go to the system and then click on the option of sound. Now over here you need to select your headset and increase its volume as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.